everyone. This is Jim Okerzinski with your Chapter 1 lecture video. So Chapter 1 is all about finding a topic, determining what you want to research and write about. I offer some areas here that you can see in the Blackboard assignment. Higher education is always something that everybody has an interest in, either I have technology. Artificial intelligence is currently an issue that interests everybody. If you still have some ideas about COVID-19, I'm looking at the after effects to research and write about after effects of that, how people's behaviors have changed because of the pandemic. Social media and diversity are current topics out on in the world. And also there's the ever-present economic security. So I also bring up the idea of a discourse community here. We belong to many discourse communities. Some we don't even believe are discourse communities in our day-to-day lives. I offer up an example about myself as far as cycling. John Swales, there's a link to his information in the post here. You can take a look at what he has to say about a discourse community. And then here's some of the examples, and some of them are, as you can see here, are really a part of our everyday lives. If you go back to the introduction and you look at the 4 sources of information that Ballinger offers for a research project, certainly memory and experience, and your belonging to a discourse community can certainly add to your research project. Now let's talk a little bit quickly about Chapter 1. Let me get the slideshow here. All right. Let me get back to the very beginning here. All right. Okay. Here we go. So the idea here is, what's a good topic? A good topic is researchable. It's not too big or too small. Finding the right focus is important. Homelessness or climate change are just simply too large of topics for this particular course at this particular time, so you want to think about narrowing. All right, you can surf the internet or a research database like Google Scholar. You can look at Wikipedia, all sorts of ways of developing some topics and some ideas behind it, behind a research question or a research topic. It's okay to use Wikipedia to develop some knowledge, overall knowledge, right? Because that's what you want to do, is you want to develop some sort of working knowledge about this potential topic. You want to look at definitions, conversations, debates. Okay, what certain terms might mean, who's talking about what about the topic. We've got a great topic like right now, artificial intelligence. Lots happening, a lot of information about what its potential might be, so that might be interest to someone. You look at the research strategies to help you develop that working knowledge. I believe in our proposal assignment, I asked for some internet sources to help you inform your thinking. It's always important. Then as time passes, we want to be able to narrow it down. Okay, look at place and time. Look at that closer focus that you can use. I mentioned climate change or homelessness. Might be able to look at one particular homeless person rather than homelessness in America. All sorts of ways for you to turn around and help narrow out your research topic. We want to get to 2 possible purposes for this project, right? We want to either explore where you research and write about your findings, and usually in this particular structure, a thesis may emerge later after you look over all your evidence. Also, then you might want to argue, take on the traditional argument position in a research essay, where you come up with a strong thesis, you know what you want to argue for. You make your claim, and then you use your research to support the argument made in that claim, right? To support that, entertain your counter argument. But this is about what Chapter 1 has to offer. In certain sections, you want to take a look and have listed here in Blackboard. I give you a few sections to work on, to focus on, I should say, in reading the chapter. Has a lot of good information. You'll get some preliminary work done in exercises 1.1 and 1.4, and then the formal proposal will happen in exercise number 1.5. That's discussion board number 4. So remember now, you are working with one research topic throughout the course. So all of your work and focus is on putting together that research essay and the annotated bibliography that is due before that. All right. If you have any questions, you know where to reach me. Good luck.